So next we move into this. What causes the tension type headache to get in place and to start to become a problem in the first place? Well, we have a couple of mechanism of injuries that we want to go over. First is technology. So long time spent on a computer, especially if that computer screen isn't perfectly level with the eyes to keep that neck in a nice neutral. If we're typing on a laptop or a tablet and it's down this way a little bit, that's going to keep additional strain and irritation on to those suboccipital muscles and those upper cervical segments. How about phone use? How often are we looking down at our phone, texting, or playing a video game, or playing a game that's on our tablet or on our phone? Maybe watching this very YouTube video right here down on your phone could be creating that tension type headache. We also see people that go on like long car rides or have a long day's work at the office, especially something where you're the driver. As much as we think of driving as just kind of this passive activity, the reality is there's no such thing as relaxed driving. We're always very alert, very tense, and we got to be ready to react at a split second notice. So that's going to kind of keep us in that position that's going to continue to load that upper neck and possibly create a tension headache. Whiplash, whether that's a sports related type injury, think of the wrestler that gets slammed to the mat or the basketball player that takes a sideways collision that didn't see it coming. That could be enough to jar that neck out of place and create a tension headache. Um, Auto accidents, of course, or a workplace accident where something falls and maybe hits somebody on the head. Again, that's enough to create enough of a trauma force to irritate the muscle, nerve, and joint complex there. And last, we wanted to pick on poor posture. Again, we kind of alluded to like the first point, but again, just sitting in like the lecture hall, for example, or having a date night and watching some Netflix movies and having that strain set in and stay in place right there. Or could be sleep. Let's say somebody's sleeping and they don't have a proper pillow to support their neck. Maybe it's like a feather pillow or a cotton pillow that's too low, and now that neck is sitting like this, or something that's too firm and now that's propping the head up like that. All of these are going to be causes of injury that could lead to tension type headache.